Hello students, in our previous video we have discussed about the reflection of light and today we will discuss refraction of light. The phenomena of refraction, it may be regarded as the observation of change in direction or bending of light when it passes from one transparent medium to another. Refraction is basically due to change in speed of light in two different transparent medium. When light passes from one transparent medium into another, it may either slow down or it start moving faster. And for a given pair of media, the medium in which speed of light is less, medium in which speed of light is less is called optically denser medium. Remember, in optically denser medium, speed of light is less, and the medium in which speed of light is more, is known as optically rarer medium. So we can define the refraction of light as the bending of light rays when they pass obliquely from one medium to another medium is called refraction of light. For example, we come across many medias like air, water, glass, etc., through which light is transmitted. And a medium through which light can pass or transmitted is called a transparent medium. What is a transparent medium? A medium through which light can pass or transmitted is called a transparent medium, and every transparent medium has a property known as the optical density. The optical density of a transparent medium is closely related to the speed of light in the medium. Means optical density is related to the speed of light in the medium. In some medium, speed of light is very fast, and in some medium, speed of light is very slow. So the optical density of transparent medium is low. If the optical density of the transparent medium is low, then the speed of light in that medium is high. Speed of light in that medium is high. Such a medium is known as optically rarer medium. And thus optically rarer medium is that medium through which light travels fast. We can define it simply: the medium through which light travels fast is known as optically rarer medium. On the other hand, if the optical density of transparent medium is high, then what will happen? the speed of light in that medium is low. Speed of light in that medium is speed of light in that medium is low, and such a medium is known as optically denser medium. Such medium is known as optically denser medium. Optically denser medium. So speed of light in air is more than the speed of light in water. So we can say that air is optically rarer medium. Air is optically rarer medium as compared to water. Or in other words, we can say that water is optically denser medium as compared to air. Similarly, speed of light in water. Speed of light in water. Speed of light in water is more than the speed of light in glass. More than speed of light in glass. So water is optically rarer medium as compared to the glass. When light rays goes from optically rarer medium to optically denser medium, for example, this is a optically rarer medium, that is air, and this is optical denser medium, that is glass. When an ray of light fall obliquely, for example, AO is an incident ray, and when this light rays goes from air to glass, such that the light rays in air makes an angle with the normal. For example, this is the normal, and when it enters from air to glass, we will find that at the interface the light bends. And again it starts moving in a straight direction. This bending of light is known as a refraction. This bending of light is known as a refraction. When light rays goes from optically rarer medium, that is air, to glass, that is optical denser medium, such that the light ray in air make an angle with the normal to the interface. Interface is the boundary that separate the two medium. Interface separating air and glass. Then it bends from its original direction. Its original direction is, we can represent it as a dotted line. It is its original position, but there is an interface and there is a bending of light between the two medias, and this bending of light is known as a refraction. Light rays make an angle with the normal to the interface separating air and glass, then it bends from its original direction of the propagation. Similarly, if light rays goes from glass to air, now we will change the two media. This is glass and this is air, and this is a incident ray. If light rays goes from glass to air, again it bends from its original direction of propagation. Again it's bent. Again it's bent. There is a bending of light. The phenomena of bending of light ray from its path is known as reflection, and we have seen that speed of light in different medium is different in different medium. So we can say that refraction of light takes place because the speed of light is different in different media. The cause of refraction, we can say that the cause of refraction is because speed of light changes when light goes from one medium to another medium.